Windows 11 now is faster than ever, guys. So here it is, the new update KB5083631. Look at this preview update. If you don't see this update on update area, I did a post and you can go directly on Microsoft catalog here and you can download it and install it manually. You will find the link on the description. But what is this update, guys? This update, for the first time, they bring new feature, Xbox mod. We are going to review it later because I didn't restart the computer yet. My computer installed this update automatically. I'm on unsupported processor, if you see here. It was not problem for this computer to install this update and find it here on Windows Update area. Look at this, I have iCore i7 7700 key. This processor is generation 7 and it's not supported officially by Microsoft. Yes, Windows 11 it will work perfectly because this processor does support POP-CNT and SSE 4.2. Yes guys, also generation 6, generation 5, generation 4, generation 3, it will work. But in Core 2 Duo, don't try. See another video that I did for this topic, guys. I tested. And now, look at this update. What's inside? Let me check here on my blog post. And we have Xbox mod. If you don't see this feature Xbox mod today, I'm going to show you how to bring it, how to enable, even if you install this update and you will not see this option, I'm going to show you how to do it. We have File Explorer improvement, guys. I tested in another computer. Finally, Windows 11 gets faster. And now, memory usage optimization. Yes, this is good. And also, we have these haptic signals for mouse. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to enable if you don't see this option, even if you install the latest update, okay? Haptic feedback don't appear automatically after installation. I'm going to fix it. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to restart the computer to install this update. I told you, if you don't find this update here on Windows Update area, go ahead, download it and do it manually. How to do it? Here it is. Go to Microsoft Catalog, go to WinRAR, run. WinRAR, here it is. If you are on Windows 25H2, like I am, go ahead and download this 64-bit processor. If you are on Intel or AMD processor. But if you are on 24H2, go ahead, download this version here. And now I'm going to restart the computer and have this update installed. And let's see if we have these two features that Microsoft is saying. Okay, here we are. Your Windows update is complete. C5 of the latest feature. Let's go to settings and let's go to gaming. Where is the option? I mean, we are on the latest version. Okay, here it is. And let's see the history update. Here it is. I installed this and it's successfully installed today. But where is the Xbox mod here now? Go to gaming. It's missing. Look, it's missing. Come on, guys. I'm not. Oh, okay. Xbox mod is not here. Okay, again. And what else? Guys, where is this haptic button here? It's not here. Now what I'm going, let's try to enable it. Always we need to do something. Always we need to do a trick to the Windows to work. Guys, let's go and download this ViVeTool. Search on Google. We are good to go here. It's in GitHub. Yeah, ViVeTool. This one. Intel or AMD. We are on Intel. I'm going to extract here. I'm going to keep it like this. I will cut this. I will bring it here on a C drive. And I'm going to paste here on a C drive. You see, ViVeTool. We have everything inside here. These files we needed. Let's go back to my website. Now, the suggestion is we have to open up CMD, search for CMD, right click as administrator. This is important because it is important. It will not work instead. Better copy the command from the web. You don't have to type anything. Right click on the CMD window. Just right click, it will copy automatically. And now we are on the ViVeTool folder. We are inside here. Okay, you see this command? I'm going to copy, right click and copy. Once right click, it will paste automatically. Click enter. You should see a confirmation message. I don't see any confirmation message. Let's enable the other option also. Copy. Okay, right click. Okay, successfully set the feature. Maybe we did this wrong. Let's try again. Ah, nice. Now it works. I did this first. Good. Restart your computer. I'm going to restart later. Okay, we enable Xbox mode, but also we need haptic option. If Xbox mode still doesn't appear after these steps, try this alternative. We have also these codes here, but we will try later if we have any problem. To undo everything that you did, hit this command here. Restart the PC. Now I'm going to enable haptic. I'm going to copy this command to enable haptic feedback. Settings. Right click. Good. Successfully. Good. Let's restart the computer now and let's check. Okay, let's go to settings and then gaming. Hello, here it is. Xbox mode is here. Xbox mode. Click and it's enable. Enable, disable. Enable, disable. Nice. This is here. Now we fixed this. If you go to Bluetooth area, mouse devices, you will see that haptic option, it's not here. So what I'm going to do, so let's do it with another method. I'm going to open up new text document here. Let's bring it here. Double click. Let's open up this. Let's put this command. Look at this. I'm going to click save here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to rename, show more options, rename. Oh, what is this? But we don't see the extension. Oh, we need to see the extension, guys, because we can't make this as a registry. Come on, guys, go to here, 3 dots, options, settings, on folder, go to view. Okay, but I need this. Hide extensions for known file types. Disable this, click OK. Now you will see that what format is this file. This is txt, as you see now. I'm going to rename it. I'm going to do it like reg. And if I rename it like this, you will see that this now it's registry editor. And if I double click, it will apply these changes. Okay, now haptic is enabled. We are going to restart the computer and see. The main reason you don't see this option here is because maybe you don't have that hardware. You have to have your mouse that support haptic shaking. I mean, look at this. I have this mouse. This is not new, guys. This one here is MX Master 3. This Logitech mouse does not have this option. This is the reason why you don't see this option here listed on the mouse or device area. I show you guys how to enable it. If you already have the hardware, I mean the new mouse MX4, then this will support this haptic option. Look at this, guys. You will see this option. After that, feel vibration when you swap windows or do things, or you play games on your PC. Okay, if you have this mouse, then here it is, the option haptic feedback to enable for your mouse. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, just write me comment on comment area, guys, and let me know for everything. Okay, guys, if you're still on Windows 10 and your computer is not supported by Windows 11 officially, I did another video tutorial, guys, how to install Windows 11 25 or 24 H2 on unsupported PC. Go ahead, watch this video and install Windows 11 on your unsupported computer. God bless you, guys. See you on the next video tutorial.